Hello and welcome to affirmfaithco.com. I am going to create a very simple Bible journaling page today based on Isaiah 56:8. You have kept count of my tossings, put my tears in your bottle. Are they not in your book? So I am going to draw a bottle. And once again, I'm a little shaky today because of my medical treatment, but we're gonna get it done. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Just drawing a simple bottle. And then I'm going to very carefully attempt to draw an eye showing our tears. So I've put the, I'm gonna just erase a little bit of the lines I don't need. I definitely need this circle. Sorry if there's a shadow there. And then we're gonna take away the top of the eyeball there. We're not going to go too much into the detail. Okay. Make these a little finer, or rather stronger. Okay. That is the basic eye. And we're going to draw a few teardrops going into the bottle. We're just going to put 5 for some reason. Odd numbers do the best, and we're going to show that the bottle's full a little bit. So we have our bottle here. I am going to take just a piece of acetate here and a distress crayon from Tim Holtz. I'm going to just color a little bit on the acetate and then using a watercolor brush, pick up some of the color and start coloring in. They work just like watercolor paints, but I find that because you're not using too much water, they don't bleed through the page as much when you're Bible journaling. So I really love these for Bible journaling. All right, we'll just carefully color in these. All right. And I don't think I want the eye to be blue. So I have a green distress crayon handy here. And I'll pull a little of the green in there. Use my paper towel I have over here to wipe a little bit. Okay. Now I'm not going to worry about coloring in everything on this because I'm going to outline it in my feud ball, which is, if you have followed any of my videos before, you know this is one of my favorite oh, put the wrong lid on there. This is my food ball. It's a great outliner, and I am just going to start on my bottle. I may put a little bit of white on the top of the tears just to show a little bit of reflection of light. So we'll just erase some of these lines. And you can see everything's already dry. That's another reason that I just love these Distress crayons. I missed a little bit here. And let's go for our white. Just put a little bit of reflection on the top so we can see it. Hopefully you can see that there. All right, so now I'm really not sure what I want to do to highlight the verse. So for now, I'm going to use my pencil, and I am just going to put some brackets around it so that I can go back to it later. But that's it. Took me just a few minutes, and we've illustrated how God holds all of our tears in a bottle. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and please like and subscribe and come back to our channel for more easy Bible journaling tips and pages. Have a blessed day.